I'm intrigued. Ano nga bang similarities na meron sina Catherine Bernardo, Marian Rivera at Ann Curtis? At bakit nga ba mahal na mahal sila nating mga Pilipino? Quick facts muna po tayo. Meron akong mga listahan ng mga research about these famous female celebrities and let's see if you will agree dun sa mga na-research namin about them. Una, si Marian Rivera. She's very successful in the entertainment industry, mapa-movie pa man yan o kaya mapa-teleserye. And at the same time, she has earned her place as one of the most accomplished and well-respected actress. In fact, nakakatawa, yung aking stock knowledge about her is that I still remember na she started as extra. That's how humble her beginning was. Now, pagdating naman sa kanyang fashion and her style, she's one of the icons that we all look up to. In fact, her fashion choices often set a trend and we all look up to that. Naalala nyo ba yung kanyang sinuot, lalo na nung siya ay nag-judge sa Miss Universe? Also, one thing that I particularly like about Marian is that she is involved in a lot of various charitable activities. And may mga causes and giving back activities si Marian na nagsusupport sa community and those who are in need. Kaya naman, talagang napamahal si Marian Rivera sa ating mga Pilipino. At ang narinig ko rin on a personal note, talagang si Marian spends good time and she exerts effort pagdating sa pag-reach out sa kanyang mga fans. Now, alamin natin yung susunod nating female celebrity. Ano nga ba ang mga similarities niya with Marian Rivera? Our next female celebrity is si Ann Curtis. Si Ann is admired for her versatility as an entertainer. We like her, una, magandang mukha. And at the same time, she has excelled not just in acting, she's very good in hosting, and at the same time, pati yung singing, imagine, yung transformation niya na before parang ginugupit lang na yero. And now, she really is a legit singer. And she's also known for modeling and showcasing her multifaceted skills and talents. Nakakatuwa talaga si Ann Curtis pagdating sa aspects na yan. Now, she's also recognized, katulad ni Marian Rivera, as a fashion icon and yung style niya is often emulated by her fans. Her fashion sense is seen as modern, trendy, accessible, making her a role model for most Filipinos. Na achievable. May mga nakikita tayong mga memes na suot ni Ann Curtis, ganito yung amount, let's say 1 million, and then our version is like this. That for me is a testament na she really is influencing a lot of Filipinos for people to come up or create their own version of what she wore. So that's how powerful Ann is. Alright. And at the same time, ito, matutuwa tayo and I'm sure marami naman nakakaalam din sa inyo nito na si Ann is also exerting effort in terms of making a positive impact in our society, such as supporting UNICEF and promoting education. Lalo na ngayon na may anak na siya. She's very active in responding to her fans in her social media pages. So that's also showing her side. Yung kanyang pagiging down-to-earth, really reachable to her fans, that's something that we're so fond of and we recognize from Ann. So if you will notice it, si Marian Rivera and si Ann are very similar in a lot of things, particularly sa fashion. They are our icons and at the same time, yung giving back and helping others, very evident yan. Alright, now we're down to our third female celebrity. She's really famous after what happened to her and kay Daniel Padilla. Siyempre, marami pa rin tayong hindi nakaka-move on na tapos na nga daw ang relasyon ng Kathniel. So, nag-break na yan. And last but not the least, si Catherine Bernardo. Fresh na fresh, hindi mo maikakaila yung iyong pagkamangha, pagkabilib, yung ginagawang transformation ni Catherine Bernardo sa kanyang sarili, it's notable and I'm sure you have noticed that as well. Now, ano nga ba ang pagkakapareho or similarity ni Kath over Ann and Marian Rivera? Si Kath, katulad ni Ann Curtis, maaga talaga siya nagsimula sa show business, both teleserye and yung mga movies niya ay talagang, sabi nga nila, tumatabo sa takilya. And I've seen a couple of her films, even without Danielle Padilla. I must say na I am a fan of her craft. Magaling, sobrang galing ng batang ito. May lalim yung kanyang atake sa kanyang mga roles. May pinakita rin siyang kakaibang aspect, flavor ng kanyang skill dun sa movie na A Very Good Girl. And I've seen that personally, and it's really different from all the movies that she did, but she gave justice to it. In fact, magaling din talaga. At kapareho niya pa, syempre, yung isa sa mga pinakamagagaling na actors at this time is si Dali De Leon. Ayan. Another thing is that, although yung Katniel ay wala na, yung pinaka nagustuhan natin is the sense of empowerment, yung self-transformation that she's showing us right now. And we all are loving that. Majority of the time, after nung mga narinig natin sa breakup nila, halos tayo ay nagsaside, nagtatake ng side, most of us, kay Catherine, maski na hindi pa natin talaga nakukuha yung full story because konti lang naman yung information that they put out there. But just the same, nakikita natin yung ating tatlong female celebrities. Kaya natin sila minamahal. Una, sasabihin ko, I think it's because naging household names na yung mga pangalan nila. That's one. Second, I must also say na yung kanilang crafts, yung versatility that they're showing all of us are something to recognize. I'm sure you're all agreeing to that, diba? And then, yung mga nakikita natin sa camera, very consistent din. I want to talk to you about how we all perceive them in terms of their authenticity. The reason why we're having this conversation right now is because of how I look at them as influencers and people that we love dearly. Very evident po yung kanilang mga authenticity. And nakikita natin yan. And nababalitaan natin. So una na dyan, in terms of accepting who they really are, kapag sinabi nating accepting who they are, they're really comfortable showing their true selves. Hindi natin masasabi na she's just pretending or very unnatural yung mga movements. You know that. Marian Rivera, kilalang kilala natin. Sabi nga nila, quote and unquote, bungangera. But again, that's her authenticity. And we can't really take that against her. We still love her for that. Totoong tao kasi. Same goes with Ann Curtis. Nakita nyo naman from being a serious actress, pagdating sa hosting dun sa kanilang noontime or lunchtime show, we get to see her side na maski na sosyalera si Ann Curtis, mahal natin siya kasi she's really down to earth. Yung tawa niya na nakakahawa ay mahal nating mga Pilipino. At hindi nawawala sa kanya yon. That's her nature. So, she's also in acceptance of her true self for her to show that. Now, pagdating naman kay Catherine Bernardo, I must tell you na I really perceive her as professional. Pero pagdating dun sa pinakikita ni Marian at pinapakita ni Ann Curtis na authenticity, hindi ko pa yan nakikita masyado kay Kath Bernardo. But the thing is, what I really like about her is yung pinapakita niyang empowerment, yung self-love right now. Kung yun lang yung aspect na yun, that's her authenticity and I like her about that. But compared to Marian and kay Ann, both of them are really natural. Alam mong what you see is what you get. With Kath, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na sobrang finesse. So again, if you're not agreeing with me, I welcome you to share your thoughts about Kath Bernardo. Second is, ito, connected tong point na to eh. They're authentic because they're someone who's not afraid of expressing themselves. So earlier, we're talking about yung kanilang comfort, how they accepted themselves and how they embraced that. Pagdating naman dun sa second point is, are they not afraid of showing their real selves? We've heard a lot of news tungkol kay Marian Rivera na nakikipag-away. Meron tayong narinig tungkol kay Heart Evangelista, sa mga younger stars na nakasama niya sa kanyang mga shows. So we've heard about all those things. And at the same time, if you're going to match these news dun sa mga relationship that she has with her fans, you get to marry both, and you could say na she's just natural in terms of expressing her true self, walang keme, walang takot, and we love her for being that. Okay? Pagdating kay Ann Curtis, ganun din. I mean, not everyone could laugh the same way that she's doing, because nag-aalala yung ibang mga stars na, uy, baka hindi kami tanggapin. But the moment na makita natin si Ann Curtis cracking jokes, nagpapakabakya, and nagpapakamasa, and even if we know na she's really an A-lister, so to speak, talagang that's authenticity. Okay? Now, with Kath Bernardo, I could only focus on the latest events that's happening around her, and for her to cut her hair, for her to really speak up about ending the relationship with Danielle Padilla, that says a lot about not being afraid. Although she's holding a lot of information, again, these are very private information na pwede namang hindi na talaga i-share sa ating publiko. But just the same, yung kanyang tapang sa pagharap doon sa sitwasyon niya, yung tapang na pinapakita ni Kath Bernardo in terms of yung craft niya, doing things on her own as an individual artist, hindi na siya naka-connect or nakadikit lang sa pangalan ni Danielle. That for me is showing courage. And I personally look at Catherine Bernardo as the next Judy Ann Santos, the next Claudine Barreto. Ganun yung nakikita ko na dating nakapartner or merong mga love teams, pero on their own, ang gaganda din ng mga naging karera nila because of their craft. And of course, marami talaga nagmamahal sa kanila dahil na rin sa mga nakikita nating mga fans na ginagawa nila. So for Kath Bernardo, again, I'd like to hear your thoughts about her. Maybe she's young, kaya hindi ko masyadong alam yung mga activities niya. That's why I need all of you there. So to summarize, there are a lot of similarities between Marian Rivera, Ann Curtis, and Kath Bernardo. Lahat yan sila nakita natin nag-evolve sa mata natin at saka sa harapan ng TV at ngayon digital space. But we also appreciate the authenticity, yung pagiging natural at yung pagiging totoong tao na pinapakita nila sa atin sa kanilang craft. And I appreciate that authenticity is something that's out there with these celebrities because I hope you will agree with me na hindi po lahat ng artista ay katulad nilang tatlo. Kaya naman, silang tatlo yung ating fini-feature right now because we'd like to thank them for being themselves and primarily for empowering not just female but even male men, diba? To be our own true selves and to welcome and accept who we really are. So I hope you get to stay tuned for the next episode because iisa-isahin natin yung tatlong stars na ito, mas mag-deeper dive tayo tungkol sa kung anong meron at kung sino sila. And hopefully, we get to know them even more. And with that, I'd like to say, Breelers, make sure to be real and transform.